Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. Today we are in the Netherlands, in Julianadorp, and we will talk to a guy whose name I don't know yet, about his car or cars, which I just saw passing by at the side of the street. An older version, an American car, so looking forward to see that. And yeah, I talked real quick to him. I think it will be very interesting because obviously he's a Dutch native and speaker, and my Dutch is not existent, and I don't know if his English is really existent, so I assume today's video will be a mix of some Dutch, some German and some English. Really looking forward to his car or even cars, so join me. So obviously something got into the way, and according to the sign at the door, the car's owner is called Gerrit, and he's not available today. So this is going to be a rather short one, as I'm only still today in the Netherlands, and yeah, I won't have time tomorrow or another day to talk to Gerrit about his car. I told him about this channel, so maybe Gerrit, in case you'll see this video, I told Gerrit about the channel, and so I will try to present his car as best as I can, which will be a good laugh because I have no idea about those American cars. Obviously this is a Chevrolet. It is a K5 Blazer, and from those logos, the trim line is Silverado. If I recall correctly, Silverado is, if it's not the top end of the line, it's one of the top lines, so rather well equipped. As you can see, the car is not new. I don't know its year. No idea, sorry. It obviously has been repainted, and as you can see, for daily use. It's gray. You can see some green shining through. You can see that the car does have some issues, but in the end it looks rock solid. It really looks like a daily driver. You can see the chrome is complete. It's not too well fitted. You can see issues everywhere, but I would love to hear the sound of this car. Those look like 15-inch wheels. I looked at the DOT number, which doesn't speak to me, so I assume those wheels are rather old. US versions. You can see some rust every here and there, but in general it kind of looks convincing. Okay, the seals are broken, but everything is complete. Here you can see, hopefully, some rust working, but still a very nice car, and it looks, in my opinion, it looks cool. Just looks cool. Obviously it's being used. Kind of looks like a toolbox inside, so it's a bit tight. Maybe you can have a glance at the inside of the car. Not too much. I think the seats are not original, but they look extremely comfortable. Obviously it's an automatic transmission. All the gauges are here. I can't see how much mileage is on the car. I can't see if the air conditioner is working or not. It's just like it is. The proper daily driver sitting out here. Exhaust is new, rather new. And by the way, I assume the car is not for sale. I think Gerrit loves his car. And here, if you look beneath the car, the differential, the exhaust, everything is painted. There's no holes in the car. It just seems to be rock solid. And yes, I would have loved to go on a little trip with Gerrit in this car. Not going to happen. Here you can see car probably has been green at some point. Love this little feature here on the hardtop. I think this goes off if you want to. So you have a little sliding or tilting window here to get some fresh air in if you slide this one open. Inside you see a Scottsdale label. I think that's another trim line. I don't know how this corresponds to the Silverado trim line. Yeah, what a shame. Maybe you got some ideas what year this car is. If you think if it's any good, I like it. Yeah, what a shame. Well, Gerrit, hope to hear from you. Maybe you got some additions for us. Maybe you got a little movie sequence from your phone for us. I'd love to see it. I'd love to present it. You all have a great day. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.